To get Spotify playback controls on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable music widget for your lock screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap widget. And then tap the gray on off switch next to music until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Now open Spotify and play a song. Next, go to your lock screen. You can see that your phone is now displaying a playback control on the lock screen so that you can use it to easily control your music on Spotify, such as pause or resume the song, add the currently played song to your favorite list, set the currently played song to be played in a loop, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.